Hey Rim, have you heard of AI? It's this relatively new piece of generative tech that's quickly sweeping the nation and getting more advanced by the minute. It's been used to create images, videos, music. Even our theater department used it to create backdrops for their fall production. I do have one question, however. Who actually owns this? First, let's review some copyright law. Copyright law in the United States says that whenever someone creates an original work, they have automatic copyright over that work. To make this more official, one can choose to register this with the Copyright Office, but if you have proof of expression of a work before someone else who is profiting from that work, that is protected under copyright law. However, this only applies to the one who executes that expression, meaning that if a cat somehow took a photo on your phone that you set up, they would own that copyright as outlined in the monkey selfie copyright dispute. However, it was also outlined in that case that non-humans cannot own copyright, meaning that any pictures or videos taken or produced by non-human entities are public domain. This of course means that any art produced by AI is public domain and uncopyrightable. But you may ask, are the thousands of artists whose images and videos were used to train AI entitled to copyright ownership? The short answer is no, they're not. See, what's interesting is the way AI functions. When you give an AI like Midjourney a prompt, it will produce a series of images that are completely different. The AI will never create an exact image like this ever again. It does this not by looking at all the pictures it was trained on relating to that prompt, but by beginning with a screen full of static and slowly removing that static through millions of instances to get closer to the prompted image or video. In simpler terms, the AI isn't taking bits and pieces from existing works, it's starting with a blank slate and generating bits and pieces based on what it might look like, which shows some level of creative process and is not only fascinating, but genuinely terrifying. Where does that leave us now? Well, kind of in the dumps. But there is some hope. There are cases taking place right now between media companies and AI owners fighting for the right of the artists to get compensation for their work. And with a little luck, they might slide in our favor. Of course, this whole AI thing is way more complicated than I'm letting on. I urge you to go research this yourself. Here's some sources. That's going to be it for the Rim Report. Bye-bye.